Hello everyone, this is our Library Management System Android application, a project developed under the valuable guidance of Dr. Vishal Goyal. The main purpose of this app is to make library operations simple, fast, and paperless. It allows different users like admin, HOD, teachers, and students to easily manage and access books from anywhere. Now, let's take a look at how our library management system works. As the app starts, the login screen appears. Here, users can log in by entering their email address and password. Let's begin with the admin login. Now, the admin logs in using their credentials. After successful login, admin dashboard opens. So, at the top, you can see quick stats, total books, total users, and number of issued books. At the below, quick actions. Below you will find quick actions button to manage the library easily. First, view books. First, click view books to see the full list of books in the library. Each entry show the book title, book ID and author. Next, view users. Click view users to see all registered users and their roles. Next, issued books. Click issued books to view which books are currently issued and to whom. Next button is issue book. To issue a book, you can click issue book button. Here you can enter the book ID, user ID, then confirm. The selected book will be issued to that user. Next, return book. Enter the book ID and process the return. The system will be update the book status immediately and the book will be returned. Next option is add new book. Here the admin can add a new book by entering book ID, title and author and then save. The book will be added to the catalog. Next, add new user. To add a user, admin can enter the user ID, email, assign a role and save. The new user will be registered. Next button is delete user. To remove a user, enter the user ID and confirm deletion. The user will be removed from the system. Now the HOD logs in by entering the email ID and password. After logging in, you can see the HOD dashboard. At the top, there is a quick overview showing details like total books, issued book, returns book and total user. For example, here it shows that there are 4 books in total. Just below that, we have the detailed report section. The first option is all books, where all the books available in the library are listed. There is also a search icon. Using this, the HOD can easily find any book by typing the book ID, author name or title. Next, we have return book, which shows all the books that have been returned successfully. Then there is a issued book, which display the list of book currently issued to users. Under all users, we can see the user management report. It shows how many students and teachers are registered. There is also a refresh option you can see here to quickly update all the details on the screen. And finally, at the top, there is a logout button that allows the HOD to log out safely from the system.
Now the teacher login by entering their email ID and password. Once the login is done, the teacher dashboard appears. At the top you can see all the available books, so it is easy for the teacher to browse and check them anytime. Here the dashboard also shows how many books the teacher has issued and how many have been returned. Just below that, we have the My Library section. Here the teacher can search for any book by typing the book ID, title or author name in the search bar. Below that, you can see the list of books that the teacher has issued and also the book that have already been returned. And finally, at the top, there is a logout button. From here, the teacher can safely log out of the system. Now, the student login by entering their email ID and password. After login, the student dashboard opens. At the top. All the available books in the library are displayed. so that student can easily browse and explore them. Just below that there is the my library section. Here the student can search for any book by typing the book ID, title or author name. You can also see the list of books that the student has currently issued, and just below that the book that have already been returned. And finally, at the top, there is a logout button. From here, the student can safely log out of the system once they are done.